You don't want this flat, do you? You just want the slope, or do you want the flat? Stop shooting.
Truck, I found this thing.
Yeah, but oh my goodness, what a sight. Yo, what's going on, you guys? So today, just gonna be me and my homie. We're gonna knock this out and we'll be on our way. It's a long drive, travel day today. It's gonna be probably like a 5.5 hour drive, maybe 5 hours. Gonna be a lot of scales there and back. Apparently there's a brand new scale, so I'm sure they're gonna be wanting to pull people over. So we gotta be ready for that. What are you gonna say?
No habla inglés, homie.
Oh. So yeah, we're gonna kick this job's butt. Gonna be super quick. 3 locations. Bada boom, bada bang. Until then, time to get to work. All right, you guys.
So this morning when I got into the truck, I found this thing.
So what I'm thinking is that we set it on like the seat or something. See what my homie does.
Oh, holy what the So
Get it out of here, fool.
Why do you put it there, motherfucker?
So why don't you explain to the camera what you're doing here?
Number of the truck, name of the carrier, main office address, the home terminal address, and you gotta sign up and do all those things before you start driving. Every time you go more than 100 miles, you gotta do all those things. Thank you.
Hey homie, are we getting pizza or?
What? Oh, over there?
Like I can call them and weed? Like when we're close to weed, call them and be like. He's grabbing Diesel and Def right now. I'm just cleaning the windshield, wiping off these lights, making sure we're all good to go. We already checked them. So I'm just washing them, giving them that little extra shine, you know what I'm saying? Saw this trucker pass a Carvana truck. He's pushing like 70. Wow, that's what happens, buddy. Good thing I have a really safe driver here, you know?
Yeah.
Nothing over 55.
Niners, dog.
Yes, sir. All right, so yeah, we're pulling into the scales right now, and they are open. How many trucks this is, bro? No way they stop anyone.
Oh yeah, they are.
I've never seen a station so, like, it almost feels cramped up. Base? I can't even go 10 miles per hour. Well, got through that one pretty easy. On the other side though, when we come back tomorrow, that one is like brand spanking new. I'll have to zoom in. I'll zoom in on it, but that one over there is brand spanking new. Not huge, so they can't really be stopping that many trucks. But still, you know, it's a brand new scale. I'm sure they're gonna want to hit their quota. We're gonna call El Jefe. Hey! Hey, are you in the ocean yet? Oh, come on! Lake's looking really good. Lake's looking really good. It used to be so low. That lake used to be so bad. Well, about that time we're pulling up to Shasta. Let's zoom in on that, but oh my goodness, what a sight. Still active to this day. I think the last eruption was like 1970 something. But apparently it's due for one. Which is massive. You know, there's actually, they say like Shasta. We're stopping in this little town called Weed, believe it or not. It is called Weed, California, okay? So, really small town. Usually we stay here in like the Motel 6, but yeah, not today. We're working in Doris, California. So, but yeah, I'm just grabbing us our pizzas, because the problem with Doris, California, it has zero food. So I'm making sure we're grabbing some food before we go. Secured the box. Sizz. Check us in, and then we're gonna eat some dinner. Go to sleep. Oh, back at the hotel now. Grabbing on that pizza on that Zaza. Watching the OG. You already know what it is. Get this sleep in. Get ready for the job tomorrow. Bah. Yo, or I should be like, good morning. So yeah, it's about 6 o'clock right now. About 6:10 right now. We're gonna meet the guy at the water source. So we're just gonna get our stuff together, get ready to go. All right, well, got all our stuff packed up, getting in the truck right now. So that's our hydrant right over there. We're just waiting for the guy to open that gate up. And then, yeah, once he opens that gate, we can get in there, get water.
Nah, you probably don't even have to put the hard hat on if you don't want to, fool. Serio. No, like I'm asking you, can you take it off? Because it makes it look like
No, yeah. How are you?
Good, how you doing?
Travis.
Nice to meet you. After you guys get filled up, you just meet us at the intersection of 161, and,
okay.
And there's a pull-off place right there.
Okay.
Me and the inspector are going to go over some spots. Cause
okay, perfect.
They didn't specify on the plans where you guys are actually supposed to spray.
Yeah, that's what I was looking at. I was looking at the plans last night. And I was like, so yeah, that's why I said that airport this morning, because that's the only thing my office gave me.
Well, it's like 20,000 square feet and 9 miles is not very much stuff.
No, yeah, it's yeah, for sure.
But it's all in that area.
Yeah.
Because we got the 2 spots on the hill that they didn't specify, and then
yeah,
there's some state line stuff that I think we should probably hit that we
okay,
up,
okay,
so,
for sure. Okay, yeah.
But yeah, because I'm guessing 20,000 square feet doesn't go very far for you guys.
Yeah, and I mean, we can stretch it for sure, but it's a 3,000 pound, like it's 3,000 pounds per acre, so it's pretty thick.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's gonna hinder our being able to stretch it out. You know what I'm saying?
You guys can spray pretty far with this thing.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. No, yeah, we can.
There's some spots of one of the towers is going right next to that water tower.
Mm-hmm. And we got the hose too.
And I don't know if you want to try to get this thing up that hill. So I'm thinking we're gonna need
to
spray
I see.
it down from the highway up.
Oh, okay, okay, yeah.
Sure.
Okay, yeah. There's a big turnout up there though.
Yeah, right next to the intersection.
Okay, perfect then. Okay. Okay, perfect then. Yeah, that's perfect then.
All right, I'll meet you.
Yeah, sounds good. Thank you. That's I'm gonna start putting mulches in. We're just gonna meet him over there. That's 19. 19. Huh? No, I'm saying together. 19. Yeah, I counted your 6. That's 22. We'll hold off on that. Yeah, copy that. Huh? Yeah, that's what I'm doing right now.
I leave everything here, huh?
Yeah. Alright, safe. That mix looks really good. Oh yeah.
Go.
It's vámonos.
Mira.
Mira, boys. He's that silver truck.
Careful, SpongeBob! Careful, SpongeBob! SpongeBob, careful!
Morning.
Patrick, the lid's already off.
Yeah.
And we'll drive up. I just drove past here. It doesn't look like you can hit this spot up on the hill.
Okay.
From the highway.
Okay, yeah. Yeah, that's
So
fine. Yeah, we
take
can.
a look and see what.
Yeah, I'd love to walk it out.
Quick ride, Matt?
Yeah.
You want front?
No. Sit back up. I know where I'm going.
And sorry if it stinks in here. You can see right here I spilled a whole cup of coffee in here yesterday.
Nice.
Yeah, I was stoked. Awesome thing to do at 5:30 in the morning.
The best thing to do.
So I guess hit shoulder areas.
Okay, yeah.
This radius actually grew in really well.
Yeah,
this radius around this specific road right here.
This other side might need, it's actually probably all covered.
Yeah, it actually all grew in.
Basically
Fuck,
just,
those weeds grew quick.
Yeah, I mean, we'll shoot it down. Yeah,
just basically spray both sides.
Yeah, it ain't the first time we shot grass.
Yeah,
Just get her sprayed
Oh
out
yeah,
there.
we'll make her green.
Perfect. Perfect.
Yeah, we'll make her green. Yeah, so we'll start on that road, and then once we finish that and head to the other spots, if you want to check it out, make sure there's any
Yeah,
spots.
absolutely.
Yeah, for sure. And then if there is a spot that we miss, we'll just come back and hit it.
Beautiful.
All right, for sure.
You just spray her on out of there.
And not the turnouts, right?
Correct.
Okay, yeah. What's happening, boss? So you're just following me?
Yep.
Okay, perfect. All right, for sure. Yeah, so we're just gonna hit these two corners right here on the, so this corner,
Okay.
and then the other corner on the other side, and then we'll hit this right stretch, and then go down there, turn around, and then hit this back stretch. So
Okay.
yeah, so
Yeah,
and then
wherever you guys got to put the rig, I'll just copy and
perfect.
people can fucking
Okay,
go
perfect.
around
All right,
or
for sure
whatever.
then. All right, sounds good.
Want to buck it up?
So yeah, we'll back up right here. If you're able to make that turn, you're able to back up to that road.
Uh-huh.
Okay, yeah.
I could do that.
Okay, for sure, yeah, and then we'll just follow you in.
You guys can spray this corner from right here.
Yeah, we'll pull down that road.
Oh,
We'll pull down that road, get that side, and then shoot this side coming down.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, for sure. Just where the wattles start. Yeah, that sounds perfect.
Are you guys gonna use the holes all the way down?
I think so, yeah.
I should have had them closed. They need to close this.
Okay.
We're not doing a moving lane closure.
Okay, all right. Well, you know what? I'll just have him switch to the gun. Let me just have him switch to the gun then real quick.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because then when you get traffic, we got to get out of the
Okay, yeah.
way.
Yeah, I'll pull over and we'll switch to the gun. I'm gonna pull over there.
I wonder why they want us to do that.
Huh?
Why do they want
Let me get down and open the ball, okay?
I closed it for you. Okay, yeah, that's good, bro. That's good right there. You can stop shooting. You can stop shooting. Stop shooting. Stop shooting.
That's the end.
Copy that. Hey, boss. Hey, and then the corners at the very beginning. So do you don't want this flat, do you? You just want the slope, or do you want the flat?
Just the slope.
Okay, copy that.
Yeah.
Just the slope. Yeah. Yeah. So, they should do like 1,200 here. Another spot's gonna look like kind of like this one.
Yeah, probably a little bit above the sound.
Yeah, okay. Hey boss, so we're gonna go mix up again. So if you wanna just chill, we're gonna come right back here. We'll probably go down there, turn around, and then come back in the same location. So,
Oh, you got more spray here?
yeah, we're gonna shoot again here. So the problem with this, well, not the problem, but with 401, you get a lot of, how do I say, bubbles, obviously. So the problem is when those bubbles are trying to go through the shaft, when those bubbles are trying to go through the pump, it can cause it to have air pockets. So it'll actually stop us from shooting. So what we'll do is we'll take this stuff, it's called anti-foam. That's good. So we'll take this stuff called anti-foam. Put a ton in it. appreciate it, boss. So we'll just go shoot that other spot just real quick. So what would you rate that hotel on a scale of 1 to 10?
What?
What would you rate that hotel on a scale from 1 to 10?
3. We got the what? I still have the
Oh, you still do? Oh yeah, we can grab it then for sure.
I don't know what time we're supposed to be out.
I think it's like 11.
Oh my god. You gotta hurry up.
Yeah, I got you.
Oh wait, let's see that.
Yeah, so we're all done, boss. We're just, but yeah, we're done.
All right, you guys have a good one.
Yeah, you too, bro. Get you guys off of here. 43%, and I just recorded for an hour. See, like these things are fire, bro. So my homie's checking to see if they have the pizza in there yet. What happened?
You gonna stop at the coffee?
Yeah, I'm gonna stop at the coffee.
The pizza was gone, but the
We can go try this coffee shop out. If she's talking about another one, I'm not sure. I think she's talking about this one though. So hopefully she is. So much for brand new. Scales are closed, baby. How do you feel about that?
very good.
Very good. Muy bueno. On our way, a little bit over halfway. All right, guys, we're back at the yard. Long drive, long drive. We split it up again, but it's still a long drive. Great hydroseeding today. That was awesome. Long drive, short job. I feel like those are the best ones, but I don't know. That's just me. Appreciate you guys. Thank you for all the support. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much. All love. God bless. Thank you, Lord, for my life. I appreciate you guys. Till next time, go get to work.